What we've done with the latest series is we've designed it all to be, I would say, 90% pre-assembled and pre-wired here at the factory, so that when it ships to your site, you can basically use handheld bars that you can engage the furniture with, get it off the skid and move it into place.
Right.
Then you're looking at worktops and monitors again to be up and running. Using those standard blocks really takes away the sort of the tailored days of the past where you had to build everything from scratch, which served its purpose. But now we've just, we understand, spaces now are different than when they were in the past. A lot of clients have a high likelihood of reconfiguring or moving to another building. So that means a lot to people when you know you can pick up the desks and actually have them moved somewhere else, and you're not cutting wires and pulling wires and because that can be troublesome.
No, and I'm just thinking about I remember there was for the height adjustable desks, we would do the single operator desks, and then we would have like the head trader desks, which were basically two work surfaces now programmed with one switch, so you had double the width of a desk. And we could change those up wherever on the trade floor, which was a neat.
Yeah, now one of the things that you can do as well is with our base modules, you can put different size worktops on the same base module. So what we've done, we've tried to minimize that base module to take care of the business it needs to. And you can set it up on day one with a 5-foot work surface. And then if you go to reconfigure, you can actually just change out the work surface, and then that base module will support, 84 inches wide with a very minimal turnover.
So I tend to think, I think I make a mistake of thinking, with our system is more kind of structured now for various sizes. And the modularity isn't as wide open as with the beam system that we used to have.
Right.
But I think you still have incremental pieces to add. And then you can still, and it all snaps kind of together, for lack of a better term. And the work surfaces really can be placed anywhere along that spine system still.
You got it.
And I always remember, I thought, well, for ladies who are pregnant and stuff like that, you can do a special work surface for them with a cutout, when your stomach gets too big. And so little kind of like creature comforts or little details like that. That do, stretch out an installation. And, we just did that reconfigure in New York. They had reconfigured at least one or two other times because they had put like a bullpen, and then they wanted to switch back because they were going to be bringing everybody back into the office again. So, and I thought it was cool that they did that without having to purchase any new furniture. So,
I mean, the longevity obviously plays feeds into the flexibility and the future functionality and sustainability is we've had installations that have been in before I started, and that are still running today and have been reconfigured and refit. And so that's a really nice part of it.